This is Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me on the 29th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. This is meditation for grief. As always, please find your preferred seated position on the floor, sitting on a mat like I am, or in a chair with back support, whichever is most comfortable for you. Same thing with your hands. You can place them on your knees or in your lap, as I am. When you're ready, and if you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. Just a note, this type of meditation can get or can be very emotional for some. If you are overwhelmed with emotion, it is perfectly okay to pause and take a break. Let's begin by breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth at a natural speed. Imagine you are sitting in the sand on a beach, looking out into the water. Feeling totally supported by the chair or the mat that is beneath you. Imagine your breath is in the same rhythm or synced with the waves. As you breathe in, the waves come in. As you breathe out, the waves go out. As you breathe in through your nose, the waves go in. As you exhale through your mouth, the waves go out. Maybe notice as you breathe in, your chest or belly rises. And as you breathe out, your chest or belly lowers. I would like for you to imagine your lost loved one or past relationship partner that's no longer with you, whatever you feel most comfortable with. I want you to imagine that person sitting right next to you. How do you feel right now with that person sitting next to you? Where in your body do you feel that sensation? Your throat, maybe in your shoulders, maybe in your chest, your heart, maybe your stomach. What would you say to that person sitting next to you if you had the opportunity? Imagine what that person would say or how they would react to what you just said. What have you learned about that person? Remember a good time that you shared with that person. Remember how they made you feel. Think about what you've gained by having that person in your life for the time that you had them. A lot of times it's natural and normal to focus on the loss or the emptiness that we feel with that person no longer being present in our lives. But I would like you to think about the times that you did share together and what you gained. The same amount of time that we spend on thinking and feeling the loss, we must spend equal time, or if not more time, thinking and feeling about what we gained as well. If you would like to take a moment or more time with this, you can. If you are ready, you can begin to open your eyes, wiggle your toes. Great job today. I really mean that. We only have one more day tomorrow of this 30-day meditation challenge. I'm very proud of you. If you have any questions or comments, or let me know where you're meditating from. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.